Have you ever opened your maps or asked Siri, hey, what's the nearest restaurant to me? And then it gives you a bunch of options? Well, that is Google My Business at its finest. Today, I'm gonna give you 5 tips on how to optimize your Google My Business profile so that you, as a local business, can be at the top 3. First, fill out your profile in its entirety. You need to include your keywords and tags as well, because when people search, hey, what's the nearest auto mechanic near me? You need to have that keyword in there to show up. Google sorts everything by relevance, distance, and prominence within their platform. So you need to make sure that you have everything filled out so that when their bots search the maps, you show up. Second, add photos. Pictures are not just for Instagram anymore. You want your clients to recognize you across all the platforms. So you can add your logo and you can add a header across on Google My Business so that you are uniform across all your platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, if you do that. But that way, when somebody recognizes your logo, they can be like, oh, I know this place. I follow this page on Facebook. And then they will want to do business with you because you're branded yourself across your platforms and they recognize that. Businesses are also more likely to have click-throughs to the website, and they will more likely ask for directions to your place if you're local, if you have pictures. Number 3, create a post. I bet you had no idea that you could create posts on your Google My Business page. Well, guess what? You can. Google even gives you suggestions of what types of posts, events, promotions, and your products or services. You can even add a little blurb about what it is, what type of event it is. The best part is each type of post has a call to action. And you always want to include call to actions wherever you post. It doesn't matter what platform it's on. You want your customer to do something. So you need to ask them whether it's, give you a 5-star rating or go like your page or come to the sale. There's always a call to action somewhere. Number 4, ask your clients to leave you reviews. I know for me, the first thing I do when I go to Amazon or if I want to buy from somebody that's local and I have never done business with them, I look at the reviews. Granted, you have to take some of them with a grain of salt. So if there's somebody leaving a 1 or a 2-star reviews, I'm gonna base it off of what the rest of the reviews say, and then I'm gonna decide whether I do business with that place or buy that product or not. Google ranks you higher with the more reviews that you have. Plus, it builds trust with your customers and clients. So make sure that whenever you have sold a product or offered a service, that you ask that customer or client to leave you a review. Number 5, Google Insights. You guys, this is probably more valuable information than Google Analytics. Insights provides you with where your traffic comes from, how they're finding you, and what they're doing when they find you. That is data that you can use to see what you need to promote more or where you need to post or how you need to post. That is super important when you actually know your ideal client, and then you can be talking directly to them instead of wasting time talking to the whole world. Social media marketing is important for all businesses these days, especially right now when everybody needs to pivot and have a presence online. Not everybody is available to be walking into local stores anymore. And so if you are brick and mortar only, you need to think about going online and offering your products and services, if you can, on the web. Google My Business is an amazing opportunity, plus it's free. So get on there, optimize your profile page, and start asking your current customers and clients for reviews on there. If you need any help with optimizing your page, please reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help you through that process.